I will do private streams just for those people that we can ask personal questions. I can go on rabbit holes. I can chase down things for you guys in the automotive world, and we can dive into some bigger topics that you might be interested in. So that's what we've got going for the future. What do we got going behind me, guys? Well, before we start that, let's start off with our intro.
Well, you know what time it is.
All right. What we got behind us is our 03 Honda Accord. This thing, we've done a lot of work to it. The reason I'm going to the members after hour show now is I want to do some actual additional things for you guys. And what we're doing today is headlights. I already did one headlight on the mainstream. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this other headlight, and we're going to get the bumper put back in place. I want to get all this stuff going, so as people come in, you guys are welcome to chat in. Any questions that you got, anything that you guys want to chat, go ahead. But for the most part, this is just kind of, I'm going to finish up the stream, kind of show you guys what we're doing. And I'll give you guys a little sneak peek of what we did while we were on the main stream. Okay, I'm not going to blind myself, but you guys saw. We put in a brand new headlight. We had to remove all the hardware, take some of the bracketry off, put it onto the new headlight. We had to put everything back into place and tighten it up. In that process, we upgraded to LEDs. This is super, super important to upgrade to LEDs. And the reason we need to upgrade to these LEDs is that we need to have a very bright light. This vehicle will be in charge of hauling people and possibly delivering stuff through like Uber Eats and things like that. If we're doing that, we need the vehicle to be reliable. We also need to make sure that it's safe. The current headlights on this car are not safe. They gotta be replaced because they gotta be able to see at night. Oftentimes they're gonna be out after dark, usually until about that 10 o'clock range, and they need to be able to see. These LEDs are gonna make sure they can see. So that's why we're doing this today. In the mainstream, we put the one in. Now I'm working on this other one to finish this up. So check a few more things. I want to make sure everything looks good here for you guys. Again, consider joining the channel. I do this to kind of give additional content to you guys and to kind of help finish up projects. Sometimes I will show a project, but then I'll wrap this up after the stream ends, or I'll wrap it up throughout the week. I'm really going to try to work on wrapping this up in my Full Throttle After Show for you guys, so you guys can kind of see it come full circle.